Okay, the outdoor environment is a really important aspect of the entire Montessori prepared environment for the 3 to 6 year old. One of the most important aspects of learning that goes on for the child between 3 and 6 is in the area of practical life, and one part of that area is care of the environment, both indoors and outdoors. So part of how we help children become independent is to show them how they can take care of the things that are in their outdoor environment.
Hello, my name is Encarna Buendia, and I am the Outdoor Environment Guide here at One World Montessori. My background is in architecture, and then last year I did the internship for the training. So having an architectural background and also having Montessori training gives me the opportunity to see our outdoor environment with different eyes. So I came up with a plan to make that happen. Montessori children love to be outside. They love to work outside. They have a great plan from indoors. We are trying to build the same thing for the outside.
And it's very important that children at this age learn, because they learn sensorially, because they learn through doing, they really need to have that sensorial, concrete experience of interacting with the living things outside as well. So the whole process of gardening and watching from the planting of the seed through the harvesting and the composting is a really important way for them to have a concrete and sensorial experience of the whole process of life.
So here is the plan that I create. And when you come out to the outdoor environment, there's a physical barrier already in place, which is the pathway. It's a concrete walk that defines 2 different areas. We would like the children, when they come out, to really know that they are coming to work. Sometimes that's so difficult for them to understand because outdoor is playtime for them sometimes. So we want to create an area where it's only work, an area where they can play.
Okay, when Maria Montessori talked about the ideal Montessori environment outdoors, she felt that there should be aspects of it that were tamed and aspects of it that were wild. So the children had the opportunity to both engage in the kind of more planned activity that you would find in a typical playground, but where they would also have the opportunity to explore things where they would be put off balance, where they would need to learn how to use compensatory movement so that they would be training their ability to move. So often our children today are in environments that are so planned that they never have the opportunity to be put off balance. You know, for instance, a typical child, 50 years ago might be walking on the rocks in a stream, climbing over branches that had fallen down. Many of our children in a city environment don't have that opportunity. So some of the things that we've integrated into this new playground design include an obstacle course, include real objects as opposed to just metal playground equipment. They're things that are made from stone, from wood, where they'll have this opportunity to put themselves out of balance and then learn how to put themselves back in equilibrium.
So here is a plan, and the plan that we have come up with has different areas. We have an obstacle course right here, where children it's kind of a maze going around, and they are gonna be able to step on stepping stones, go down under tires. So equilibrium is one of the big factors in this obstacle course.
I think it's important because children today are eliminated from nature in general. And therefore, we as adults need to explore avenues for providing environments in the midst of nature for the young child, bringing nature into our environment. So we have a classroom established, and so we need that for the outdoor environment too, because everything has a purpose.
We also will have a greenhouse. We would love to have a greenhouse where children can start the seeds from they can start the plant from the seed and see how all they grow, see the whole process and then we maybe be able to get that seed back from that plant and plant it again. So the children will see the whole cycle. In this area, we also plan to have some more equilibrium things for them to do, like logs put in like this, or tires so they can go in and out. These are going to be big tires, like tractor tires, so they can go up or under. They can kind of try to hide there too. They like hiding spots too.
The parents are key components. Without having parents supporting this structure, we need the parents to be on board as a whole, because it not only comes from the child, but it comes from the parents that give to the child. So we really definitely need the support of the parents, and without them, I don't know if this would be possible. And not only just funding, but also the support of allowing the child to say, wow, the outside environment must be some place that you would like to go, and tell me more about the outside environment. And so supporting it as a whole just makes our program one world.
Hi, my name is Guy Hutchison, and I'm the father of Luke and Siren in Primary 3. You've just heard from Rebecca, Encarna, and Julie about the outdoor environment we would like to build for our children and children to come. We believe that this new outdoor environment will greatly enhance the educational experience of our children by allowing them to be more engaged with nature, and through this interaction, help them develop their gross motor skills, their curiosity, and their sense of wonder. Posters showing details of the environment are up in the school. All donations for this project go to the One World Montessori Outdoor Environment Project for the Foxworthy campus and are tax deductible. We plan to complete construction of the project by March 2016. The total cost to build the outdoor environment is $30,000, and we've collected just over half of this. To fund the remainder is about $200 per family, so we're asking for your donation of $200 or more to complete this project. Also, if you prefer to donate by check or your company supports matching donations, please donate directly to the school, and we will update the target on Kickstarter to match. Thank you very much for your support.